Can we ask one question for Jeff before we let him go?
Yeah, please.
Jeff, what are the 3 things you're doing in the next 90 days to continue to pivot and to be a successful investor?
The first thing is I'm reviewing costs. I've already started at it, started about 2 weeks ago, both personally and in my business ventures. So looking for ways to reduce costs. That's number 1. Number 2, I'm starting, as some of my private lending coming back, I will be holding on to more cash. And the third one is I am preparing to start buying seller financing properties probably in 2021.
Cool. So let me just recap. You're reevaluating your budgets to decrease expenses. You're building up your reserves, and you're going to modify an investment strategy so you can grow your assets.
Exactly.
And how could they learn more about seller financing from you, Jeff?
I've got a seller financing class in September.
What's the website that they could learn more about it, please?
reimasteryu.com.
reimasteryu.com. So if you guys want to contact Jeff Brailio at Brailio Law, his phone number is 801-560-2180. He's also on the board of the Utah Valley Real Estate Investors Association. And then the last comment is Jeff's an awesome attorney that has a lot of life experience. You guys can contact him at 801-560-2180. So just wanted to give you that quick commercial, Jeff. How'd I sound?
You did awesome.
All right.
Awesome.
You do that professionally.
Well, thank you. I'll send you a 30% tip tab later. I look forward to my trip next year. All right, see you, Jeff.
Jeff, thank you for joining us.
Okay,
Anytime.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So can I share 3 themes real quick, and then you share 3 things as we wrap up for the listeners?
You could probably share 2 things, and I won't share anything.
Okay, I'm going to share 3.
Okay.
I got 9.
Well, once the music kicks in,
Okay.
we get kicked
1.
off.
I'm looking to see how I can earn more income right now.
Perfect.
Okay?
Okay.
So
Can we-
without
do you mind-
working more,
I was gonna say, do you
earning
mind
more,
if I ask how?
earning more how I'm doing it.
Oh, it's the same way you're doing
Yes.
it. Not
earning-
another side hustle.
Yeah, not another side
Okay.
hustle, how
Got
I
it.
can earn more income with what I'm doing.
Got it.
The second thing is I'm reviewing tax efficiencies
Okay.
because I think some tax laws are going to change, and I want to be prepared and not be like, oh, I wish I would have thought about this.
Yep.
The third thing is I'm reviewing again my expenditures to
Mhm.
reduce expenses. I already did that in January. I'm doing it again right now. So those are 3 things I'm doing.
Cool. Cool. Very cool. So for me, and you can hear the music.
So
kicking
perfect.
on.
Go ahead though.
Perfect timing.
What are you
Yeah.
going to do for your birthday?
So actually, Bailey and I and his dad are going to go up to Park City to do the bobsled.
Nice.
Yeah, so we'll be up there later this afternoon. So if you guys have ever thought about doing the bobsled up in Park City at the Olympic Park, you should go up there today at, what time's our? 2:45. 2:45.
Awesome.
Yeah. Well, Matt, thank you so much for joining me today, sharing all this wisdom of what's happening in the real estate industry, the loan industry. We had also Jeff Brailio and Alan sharing some tidbits as well. Guys, if you are interested in getting involved in real estate investing, as Matt talked about, we volunteer our time. He's the president, I'm the vice president. Alan, Jeff, they're also volunteers. Very experienced board, volunteers their time to help educate and help young investors. Check out UVREIA.com. That stands for Utah Valley Real Estate Investing Association.com. Check out that website. Come join us for our monthly meeting, and I hope everybody has a spectacular rest of the day.
Happy birthday, Yoshi.
Thank you.